Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to get to flash sales on Shein. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Shein application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you will get the items listed on flash sales directly on your home page. For that, scroll down a bit and you will get flash sale with this time counter as you can see on this interface. Here usually flash sale will last for 24 hours as you can see the timer here. Now you can select any item from the flash sale. If you keep on scrolling, you will get to see more items. And if you tap on flash sale, here you will land on the flash sale. Here you can select any of the items from the flash sale that you would like to buy. So that's how you can simply get to flash sales on Shein. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.